Hello everyone, it's David Lascom, and today I'm going to show you guys a really amazing checkmate puzzle. It's black to move here in Checkmate, so I'll go ahead and pause the video if you want to look at this and see if you can come up with the answer. Yeah, so when I was solving this puzzle, I saw the first move, queen take. I saw that was the answer, but then the bishop takes, I was like, I'm not so sure now. Because, if knight goes here, that seems like that's a good idea, but then just rook takes, and so it's not checkmate. And if just, pawn takes, then, queen takes. And so you're essentially helping him get his queen over to help defend his king, and that doesn't lead to checkmate either. So I really struggled here, and I actually had to look at the answer. Yeah, so the answer is rook here to d2. And all these pieces, including this knight, could take this rook, which is just incredible. But what is this doing? Well, this rook is interfering. So let's take a look. Let's say that if bishop takes, then the rook is no longer able to block this knight, and the knight comes in for a checkmate. And that is, the same. If this knight takes, then we have the same checkmate. Or if this knight takes, then it works there too. So that can't happen then. So what if we have rook take? Yeah, because what if white doesn't take anything? Well, if white doesn't take anything, let's just say that white plays some random move, such as bishop here. Then this is fair. So we either checkmate with knight to c2, or we checkmate this way. So we're actually threatening to checkmate two different ways if white, just makes some random move. So what happens if it takes? Because the rook is, guarding c2, but it's interfering with the queen's defense of this bishop. So we can actually take this bishop now, and it's a checkmate. So what happens if the queen takes? Because the queen is now guarding the bishop. So, this is no longer a checkmate, and the queen is also guarding this, so that's not checkmate either. But we can distract the queen because the queen is overloaded, trying to stop two checkmates at one time. So we can give this knight check, and white does not have the option to take with the rook. So, naturally, the queen has to take, and now that allows us to put this pawn, and it is a checkmate. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.